Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with his good friend Dustin from Convoy Home Loans. How you doing, buddy?
Good. How are you doing, Mike?
I am very excited about this conversation. Um, Obviously, the mortgage lending market is taking it on the chin right now, as far as just deal flow, if you will. But I've been in the game a long time, and I know that creativity is going to win. And what we are about to talk today is a product that I think is game changing for investors. I'm going to reference it as an 85 CLTV loan, but folks, it's not like other CLTV loans we've discussed where it's the first and you're putting on a seller second. We are talking about leaving your mortgage in first position and having somebody come in as second and going up to 85%. This is game changing. And I mean that in every sense of the world. There are so many of us, myself included, that have loans sub 4% that we are not touching. But we got a bunch of equity. We're like, maybe we want to go shopping some more. So this
Yeah.
CLTV at 85% is game changing. Tell us about it.
Yeah. So it's just like you had you capped on. It's a second position mortgage, so you don't have to touch your first. We're going to put a second lien on the home, sit in second position. We've had these second mortgages available for a while now, but the problem was it was pretty hard to qualify because we were at 65% previously, and the minimum loan amount was 250, which was hard. So that's old. Now, what we can do is minimum loan amount 75,000. So that should help a lot of people. If you go full doc, you know, W-2s, tax returns, etc., we can go up to 85% on a non-owner occupied investment property.
Oh,
Right. So
no, no. Stop, stop. Come on. Are you serious?
got to be
No,
full doc, but
that's
yes.
okay. That's all right.
Yeah.
I don't mind full doc.
Yeah.
So
Um,
I got to ask some questions.
yeah.
Is this residential only, meaning fourplex and less?
Yes.
Okay, so not the big apartments or
No, no way.
that's okay. But
No.
a lot of my channel is single families, duplexes, tries. A lot of people house hacking. Again, I want to repeat what you said because this is a loan. This is the loan product I knew would come out eventually.
Yeah.
As I've told every lender that I talk with, the winner of the game is going to be who creates the best second mortgage.
Yeah.
Because I have lots of loans sub 4% that I'm not touching. But I'm also very good at this and I want to go shopping. I have products that now are, first positions at 50%.
Yep.
So what you're telling me, I go full doc, I get a second loan with a minimum amount of 75 grand, which is reasonable, not 250. 250 is nuts. 75 is reasonable. I can go up to 85% of appraised value.
That's right. And the full doc, we do give you a little bit of a taste of some non-QM where we'll do 1 year or 2 years. 1 year, basically 1 year of W-2s, 1 year of tax returns, whereas, most of the time full doc's 2 years. You'll
Okay.
get a little better pricing if you show, 2 years, but still, given the, last 2 years of most people's pay being a little bit lower because of the pandemic, we're okay with just doing 1 year, worth of income, personal income at least.
That's pretty cool. Um, Gosh, what other so second loan, how long is it, a 10-year balloon? What is it?
No, you can do anything from 10 all the way up to, 30. We have
Wow, okay.
yeah, we've got a balloon one that's interesting. That's basically a 40-year AM, but it balloons in 15.
Oh,
So
that's not bad. Okay.
yeah, the lowest payment's going to be the 40. We don't have just a 40-year second where it's fully AM, but we have a 40-year amortized with a 15-year balloon. That's
Yeah,
going to be the
anything north of 10 is I'm comfortable with. Anything north of 10 on a balloon's cool.
and we can do, for those that are self-employed and just, can't qualify regularly kind of on a conventional underwrite. Our bank statement product, we can go up to 75% on the CLTV. Same,
Wow.
second mortgage, et cetera, but up to 75. Um,
Yeah, do
and
me
these,
a favor. Do me a favor. You're coming to my event on November 12th.
yeah,
Let's make
next
sure we
Friday,
talk about this.
next Saturday.
Well, the event's on Saturday, dinner's Friday.
Yeah. I'm doing my,
Right.
yeah, I
Yeah.
won't,
So
go ahead.
So I was going to say, bring some material or make sure we talk about it, whatever you want, because this is going to be a program that I push on stage when you're up there, when we're interviewing, because a lot of people have bought properties with 30-year fixed rate debt with rates under 5, some of us under 4. We're not touching it. This product going up to 85% as a second with all the other goodies, I think is going to be something that people ask you about. So be ready for that.
Yeah, would love to. It doesn't only apply to non-owner occ. We can do this on a second home or a primary. I think on our primary, we're going up to 90% CLTV, so an extra 5, full doc and bank statement up to 85 still on primary, but it applies to all property types.
All residential property types.
All 1 to 4 units, correct. I should make that clear.
That's awesome, buddy. This is going to be fun. Let's make sure we talk about it next Saturday. Thank you so much. Oh, if somebody wanted to reach out and see if their opportunity qualifies, how do they do that?
Go to our website, convoyhomeloans.com, fill out our little questionnaire, just contact us, and you can click on the drop down menu that you came from one rental at a time.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.